Hello. I was riding to get my 600-mile BMW break-in service today at Max BMW up on the seacoast of New Hampshire, and it was incredibly windy this morning, so I didn't bother talking during the thing. I thought that it would probably cut out a good bit. But at any rate, I thought I would just mention why I ended up upgrading my Honda Rebel 1100T for a BMW GS, and ultimately I loved the Honda. It was a great bike to start on. It had plenty of power, a lot of fun, but ultimately for like over an hour of riding, it got a little uncomfortable for me. To be fair, one of its main complaints online, the consensus is that the seat isn't that comfortable, but that can be upgraded, so no big deal there. I think for me, it's really just a preference of a more upright riding position, over a cruiser riding position, and that's just, kind of personal comfort level. So in all honesty, if anyone asked me if I would recommend the Rebel 1100, I would recommend it without hesitation any day of the week. So if you're looking at a Rebel, don't let this video deter you. It's awesome. And I had always had my eye on the BMWs just before the newest 1300s were coming out. I was reading articles about them, seeing them online, and how high tech they were. And I kind of geek out over the tech stuff. I have a Tesla for that reason. Is I really liked the the goofy technology, and so I thought, oh man, that would be awesome. But I never saw myself actually having a BMW. But after a year of riding, I realized that I was all in. Like, this wasn't just a fad for me. Like, this was going to be a real hobby. So I decided to go ahead and do it. So I traded in my Honda for the BMW R1300 GS, and I'll talk about their easy ride financing sometime too, because I think it's really cool and different. But I ended up, after I got the BMW home, and it's a real heavy bike, it's real tall, and I have a one-car garage with a bunch of stuff in it, so like getting in and out with the cases and everything is not super easy. It's not a big deal, but it's it takes a little bit of time. I realized that, man, maybe I should have kept the Honda for like quick lunchtime rides. So I ended up going and getting the Triumph Speed Twin 900 as my smaller bike. And so basically the way this is going to play out is my BMW is for the longer rides, for the destinations, for weekends essentially, when I have time to kind of rearrange the garage and get it out. And the Triumph is going to be my jump out for 40 minutes, an hour at lunchtime, and film some shorts or whatever. So anyway, that's how it is. I'm all in. Being at the service thing today at the open house, I saw some other BMWs that looked awesome. If they weren't $20,000, maybe I'd look at bike number 3, but someday. Anyway, just wanted to give that update. Thanks for joining.